Hi, this is Steve from Workbench-Z. Today we're replacing the burned out headlight on a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. The low beam halogen headlight bulb is behind this cover. You remove the bulb by rotating it counterclockwise about 30 or so degrees, and it should just slide out. And the wire is removed from the base of the bulb by squeezing here, and it comes apart. And then we take the new bulb and we click it on. The next part's a little bit tricky, sticking the bulb back in at a slight angle, twisting it a little bit to find where the leaves lock in, and then twisting it vertically. This didn't work. It's tied up inside this tube and you are working blind. I just couldn't get the bulb lined up and locked in. Finally, I tried disconnecting the wires and inserting the bulb by itself, and I was able to get it in by guessing and by feel. I got lucky then, using just my fingertips to get the plug reconnected to the bulb. I hope yours goes better than mine. Well, lots of fighting, but I finally, by disconnecting the wire, was able to get the bulb in, and then miraculously able to pinch my fingers in there and reconnect the wire. So now we reattach the cover. All right, let's see if this works. Yay! Steve from Workbench-Z, I hope you learned something.